Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a virtual reality grocery store on CoSpaces. So I will introduce a lot of basic stuff and to help you. So I'm gonna start about to add a wall. Here you can see you will be given the store and which has entrance and exits there. Also there is cashier. So you can see all of this has been locked. You need to add the wall and to add aisle in your grocery store to help your customer to walk through the store, get things they like. So first of all, we're going to bottom left corner, which is library. In the library, there are a lot of building 3D models. So you can look around, you can go to search by category. The other way, you can just search. And I am going to type wall. So here you can see there's a brick wall here, and maybe this is not exactly what you want, but I am going to add it first. So I drag it. You can see there are quite a lot of arrows around the different sides of this wall. So what you can do, you can adjust this by dragging those arrows, or you can make the height or even the thickness. So I'm going to try to make it as thin as possible because we don't have much space. And here I am going to double click on the wall. You can choose material. Here in the material, you can change different color or texture. And for example, I can change as the checkboard. I can do the gray brick wall, or I can do this blue one. However, I'm going to choose this kind of like rock or whatever the material is, like a light color, because I want to make it look nicer. Or you can also change the color by yourself. So I'm gonna make a little bit bright color, maybe light yellow, and this is what I need. Next part, I'm going to show you how to add shelf. So it's the same like you add a wall. You can either go to different category to choose things you need, or you can go to search. So I'm going to add shelf. On the shelf, there are quite a few different shelves, shelves with doors, or open shelves, or shelf with items. If you choose this one with items, and you can drag to scale, make it bigger, but please notice that those items cannot be changed, replaced. You probably just need to add label about what are those items, but if you want to make it more flexible, you can choose the very basic one, and I'm going to drag and make the size, make the height align to my wall, and put it back there. Again, you can click on this item, change the material or change the color. And I'm going to make the color align to my wall. So make it slightly smaller. And if you want to have several ones, you can definitely Command C, Command V, copy, paste. The next part, I'm going to show you how you can use Luma, which is an AI tool to create the 3D models and import it to CoSpaces. Because if you go to items on CoSpaces, you will find, yes, you do have props, decorations, food, but not everything you needed here. You might need some of fruit. However, you cannot find the fruit here. So what you can do, you can use AI tool and to generate one 3D models and import it here. So I click the library again, all of these features will be minimized. So I am going to Luma. I will put Luma, the link on the website as well. And if you go there, there are two options. Capture is that you sending the pictures and it will capture it as a 3D models. Imagine is you type something you need and it will create text to 3D models. I'm going to use Imagine. Once you go there, I just click inside, you will find on your top right corner, there is a login button. So I'm going to click on it, sign in with my Google. Now I have signed in. What I need to do, I need to type things I need. For example, I'm gonna a basket of apples, and I'm going to click create. Then you have to wait for a little bit. And on the background, you can see all of this are the models people created. Now I have this. It does not look perfect, but it's better than nothing. So I'm going to choose this one. I think this one might look pretty good. It look a little bit blurry right now, but it's kind of just finding the tune for me and create a basket of apples. That sort of apples, and I think this might be something that I needed. So I'm going to choose GLTF and click download. So now I do have this file called GLB. I am going back to my CodeSpaces. Go to the bottom left corner, upload, and go to 3D models. Because often you might accidentally click on other categories and you figure out when you click upload, your file didn't show up, or a kind of gray, you cannot choose it. So make sure you choose the right category first. And go to upload. I am going to click on it, and now it's uploading. You can see my model has been uploaded successfully. It usually takes a while, so you have to wait for a little bit. Once you get it, it's here. So what I need to do, I need to drag to this CodeSpaces, and you can see the color automatically change. That's why the reason why we need to download as a file GLTF, because the color will be remain, otherwise you have to redo the colors by yourself. Now I'm going to put it on the shelf, try to drag this, lift up a little bit, and maybe shrink, make it smaller. And look at this. Now this is my apple here. So next part for me, I am going to upload a picture and try to decorate my store, because sometimes if you put some banner or pictures, it could really help people to feel like they have this desire to buy stuff. So I'm going to put a fruit picture and copyright free. Make sure you choose a copyright free picture. Click image and maybe this image. Let's see how it goes. So this is JPEG, which means it will be able to upload. And go to the bottom left corner, upload, choose image. It tells you what kind of the format it can support. So JPEG, definitely one of that. Going to click upload, choose the image. I just download it. And now I'm going to drag it here. Once you drag, you will find the size is not exactly what I want, and it's kind of lower than what I need. So you can click on it and drag to left, and then you can rescale it. And now if I look on the side, one thing about CodeSpaces, often when you look at the front, it looks perfect, but when you look at the side, you're like, wait, that's not the location or place I want my picture to put. So you still need to adjust it like from 3D perspective. And this is very similar to the 3D design that you learned in other subject or in previous project with me. Okay, so the next part is gonna be the audio part. The audio can help you explain all of the psychological logic behind all of this design. So you need to go to upload again, go to sound. Here there are two options. You can either record it by yourself first, so you can choose upload, or the other way, you can click record and you can start to record and talk. So it's up to you, but once you finish, and you can, let me give it a try. Hello, this is a test. So I'm gonna stop recording and call it a test. You save it first, and then you can use this one. So you click on this three dots, set as background sound. Now this is background sound already. Hello, this is a test. Next part is gonna be how to view it on the VR mode. So on the VR mode, once you finish, you need to go top right corner and click share and share unlisted. You can rename it. For example, I'm going to rename and put my name here and share unlisted, and then click on it. Then click, you will be guided to this share website. Click on this share button again. You will have this link. Copy this link and paste it to the Padlet that we provided. Put on VR goggles, set a boundary, and then go to App Library. Choose Web Browser, the purple icon. Go to top right corner, choose Bookmark. Go to Padlet, and click on any post that you posted or by your classmates. And click Play. allow code spaces to view the project in VR mode. Now you can see it. You can use thumbstick, move backwards or forwards or left or right to control how your movement. And then you can press the Oculus button to quit and view other projects if you want. Thank you.